Welcome back to Checkout Guy YouTube channel. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you using the Shopify flow how you can automatically tag orders by your payment gateway or your payment method. For example, the orders by bank deposit, you can tag that orders. It's a bank deposit order. For credit card, you can add that. For cash on delivery, you can tag those orders. So that's what we are going to do. So for this, you can install the Shopify Flow app from Shopify App Store, and it's a free app and you'll be able to install and you can use it from your store. This video is sponsored by Next Discount, the only Shopify app that lets you cap discounts. Example, offer 10% off but stop the savings at 200 rupees. Next Discount handles it automatically. Protect your profit and run smarter sales. Search Next Discount at the Shopify App Store today. So after installing the app, you can come to this Flow app. In Flow app, everything is workflows. So you create a new workflow. You can browse the templates what Shopify is giving. So I already created that tag orders by product payment gateway. I'll just explain what I did. So when any order is created, then we'll check the payment gateway name, right? So for example, it's loading. So you can use the includes. For example, if it's include bank, right? Then you can tag that orders with bank deposit. If it's not bank, then you can use another condition. So basically you can search for payment gateway. You can search for the payment gateway names and you can use the includes if it's COD, or you can give cash on delivery, or you can give credit card, for example. Then you can do an action, add order tag, search for add order tags. Then you can give credit card order, for example. Then you can save the changes. So for your easiness, you can do like this. Turn on the flow. The flow is active when any orders can place. Then check, is it the payment gateway name includes bank, or if it's not, then it will check this. So that type of thing you can do it easily, and you can easily track the orders with different payment gateways. So yeah, this is how you can easily make it happen. And for your listeners, Shopify is already given that same payment gateway orders we made over the browse template section. So you can also set up the flow easily by the section. So if you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.